Terra, currently trading at $82.13 with a market cap of $30 billion. It's currently ranked number 9 on the list with the ticker of LUNA. But before trading and hodling this, guys, what is Terra? Terra is a blockchain protocol that uses fiat-pegged stable coins to power stable global payments and systems. According to its white paper, Terra combines the price stability and wide adoption of fiat currencies with censorship resistance of Bitcoin BTC and offers fast and affordable settlements. So what markets are they on, guys? They're on Binance, KuCoin, Huobi Global, let me see, Git.io, Bithumb, and one of my favorites, Crypto.com Exchange, and MEXC. So they're on some of the big exchanges, guys. You can trade and haul on this. Let's look at their ratings, guys. So they get a triple B by positive outlook. Now look, guys, if you look at this entire chart, this is rated extremely high in the upper 96th percentile of cryptocurrencies. So please, this is not viewed as the same as the other cryptocurrencies because one has a price rating which is very rare, and it has been rated in the top 90%. So please check out their ratings and see how they came to their conclusion. If you guys want me to break down the conclusion of this of their outlook, please let me know. I can break it down in a different video. Just drop a comment below. But let's get to some of the news, because I found some big news, not off of the market cap information, but off their Twitter page, where I get into. So check out their news on CoinMarketCap. But let's get to their website real quick. So here's Terra.money. It's a programmable money for the internet. So the internet, once again, very clean. But if you want to learn more about their smart contracts, about their white paper, just go to their website. You can find out more information about it, so you don't have to jump into a cryptocurrency being blindsided about upcoming changes and stuff. Here's their Twitter page, guys. It's 254,000 followers. This is where they post a lot of their news. This is where I found a very good article that I really want to show you about, and the news about what they just posted. It's about this Astro thing, but I'll get into it in a second. But also follow me on Twitter as Andre J. Mcclendon. I talk about a lot of political stuff, trading, investments, all that stuff. A little bit more on the political side than I do on my YouTube. But please check that out, guys. So here is what I was referring to, Astroport. This is what they're adding to their website. Now, the tokens are not available yet, but they will. So please check it out, guys. This is really, really cool. I like when cryptocurrencies that have been doing, one, good on their price, and two, adding new stuff to their platform. So this incentivizes people to, pay attention to it more. You can invest into it if you like, or be just part of the platform to use their platform. But let's get to that price prediction, guys. So this one had done absolutely amazing. So if you got into this cryptocurrency, you're just sitting really fat. A lot of the cryptocurrencies happening today have been getting demolished with 50%, 60%, 80% losses. This one, since my last price prediction, has done absolutely amazing. So I talk about entering even around this area here. But what is currently at, sitting at $82, and it doesn't seem like it's going to stop. But before we go to a little bit higher, let's look at the whole view of the cryptocurrency on the monthly. Okay? So on the monthly, you can tell it on the Bitfinex platform, it started at about $16, went down to $6, and now currently at $82. So massive growth. Let's go back to the daily now. So the daily, you can see when it looks to the super trend and combined with the Fibonacci that it's still on a bull move up. And I don't think this is going to stop, especially with the new stuff they adopted. So let's get to that price prediction. So once again, guys, my entry point for trading has been missed because I already talked about entering in at a very earlier price. But before I'm going to get to that earlier price, guys, or get into that, let's talk about the current price at $82 and what to do about it. Now, for me, if I'm to disregard the other price prediction, and yes, it was correct, but for this one, if I'm going to be starting off the bat, the only thing that I can look at is that in a couple hours, a new cryptocurrency is going to, new tokens going to be put onto the platform, making this even more marketable. There's going to be a lot more attention. So for me, I'm going to enter in off of just plain market. And this is where I'm going to let it ride a little bit and head to at least $90. So that's my price prediction. It's going to be $90 right about here. one, it's a whole number, and two, I can plan out for that. And there's not much analysis I can go into other than the big news that they have. So there's not much structure. You can use Fibonacci, but when it comes to entering off of something that's already extended, and also on a bull on a positive trend, this is, you know, you're going to be entering, and you might have a lot of price fluctuations. So for me, I'm going to enter in on a smaller position, possibly a half position of my trading account that I usually do, and then place a little bit lower on a buy limit. But my overall target price is $90, and if it hits that price point, I'm just gonna move my stop loss above the entry at the current trading price. Let's say $82, move it to $84, for example. And then if it hits $90, take my original capital out and let the rest run. If it goes down a little bit lower like this, guys, just say it hits down, goes back to these resistance. I'm sorry, these support levels down here. This resistance at the point or here. So if it hits this point here, this is where I can place my buy limit just in case it goes down lower. So if it heads back to the 90, head up to the $90 for the first time, I think there might be a lot of pressure. I think the $100 might be a lot more pressure, because $100, it might just blast right through it. It might just come back down. But either way, I'm going to protect my money when entering the trade, and then locking in that trade to make sure it doesn't knock me out. And if it does knock me out, I walk away with the profit. I get my original capital out, and this was a win-win situation. If I'm wrong, it goes down, hits my buy limit, and then I'm only going to be risking 2.4% in the total position. So before entering a trade, guys, for me, I like to know my parameters, how much I'm risking, right? Where it possibly could or won't go, or whatever happens. Am I trading or hodling it? You gotta have a plan of engagement before entering. Usually I like to do price alerts. I like to stagger those things out. So when I get my phone, I'm like, it makes a couple of, you know, like a ping sound like that. I check my price alert because something's moving and I have interest in it. Set up price alerts if you guys want to avoid a lot of, you know, lost trades, or that's what I would do. I can't tell you what to do. So do that. If you want to do that, it's fine. So for me, I do that and make sure my price alerts are set. And then if I see stuff like this, where this is a clear sign of a bull market, and it might go even higher, I might just enter in the market like that I'll plan to do on this, and then let my trade run to about $90, then exit some of my position, taking my original money out, and let the rest run. So that's my price prediction, guys. $90. My buy limit is currently at $74, and my current market entry is $82. If any question or comments on how I came to that conclusion, please let me know in the comments below. But before we get done with this, guys, I got to show you some extremely important information. Let's get to my website, AndreJMcClendon.com. I'm still updating, adding a lot more to it. If you guys are learning how to trade or want to learn how to trade, I have my own trading course, which I'll show you in the next couple screens. And also, guys, if you're looking for indicators or EAs, I do program them quite often. So if you guys want to learn more how to do it yourself, or you want some, we can have that contract. We can talk about it to see what we can get done together, okay? Also, here's that training course. I have Forex and cryptocurrency, stocks, and a lot of financial educational advice or information that can definitely help you out. Also, here's the cryptocurrency portion I've been updating. There's a lot more to it. I'm going to add a lot more things when it comes to analyzing the biggest news about crypto. And also, here's some indicators that I've back tested. They don't repaint. So if you're looking for indicators that don't mess you up long term, these are some of the ones that I've done. So if any questions or comments, guys, drop it below. But please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.